Yeah. Yeah. Signals in the dark, scanning through the night. Technology evolving, turning noise into sight. From physics to the future, let the concept unfold. Quantum radar story, now the science gets told. Classic radar sends a signal through the sky. Waves hit a target, then they bounce back nearby. But noise in the system can bury the trace. Tiny echoes vanish somewhere out in space. Now imagine something deeper in the game. Quantum physics changing everything we claim. Two photons born together in a delicate pair. Quantum link particles with a connection they share. One photon travels outward through the open domain, while its twin stays behind inside the system's frame. Still connected in a subtle quantum way, even when the distance stretches far away. When the traveling photon finally comes back home, its signal gets compared with the twin that stayed alone. Through correlation, hidden patterns appear, finding targets even when the signal's unclear. Even if the echo nearly disappears in the noise, quantum correlation amplifies the voice. Quantum radar scanning through the night, finding hidden objects with quantum light. There's a photon lost dancing through space and time, turning weak signals into data we can find. Quantum radar, future in the scan, seeing what traditional systems never can. Where the noise once buried every trace, quantum science brings the signal into place. One photon travels through the atmosphere wide, its twin remains as the reference inside. If it strikes the surface and the signal returns, the detector reads the pattern that the correlation confirms. Even when the echo's almost lost in the air, the quantum link reveals that something's there. Signal over noise, sudden link becomes clear, because the physics amplifies the data we hear. Maybe tracking aircraft flying silent and fast. Stealth technology thought the radar was past. Space observation, every celery view. Quantum sensors bringing clearer data through. Research labs working day and night, pushing quantum optics toward practical sight. Step by step the future comes alive, when science and engineering combine and thrive in the quiet of quantum domain. Tiny particles rewrite the game. Invisible signals crossing the night become visible paths through quantum light. Quantum radar scanning through the night, detecting hidden motion with entangled light. Where the signal fades in classical design, quantum physics reveals the hidden line. Quantum radar, vision redefined, technology expanding what the world can find. From theory on paper to systems that explore, the quantum revolution opens every door. From the smallest photon to the vast unknown, science keeps expanding what the mind has shown. In the noise of the universe, signals still appear, and quantum radar helps us make them clear.